In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in Salesflare. A deal in Salesflare is called an opportunity. It's the record you use to follow a sales lead through your pipeline from first contact to closed won. Let's walk through creating one from start to finish. First, open Salesflare and sign in. Whatever device you're on, the process is the same. Once you're in, look at the main sidebar and head to Opportunities, sometimes shown as the pipeline view. This screen displays your existing opportunities organized by stage, so you can see exactly where each lead sits. Remember, in Salesflare, opportunities are linked to accounts, which represent companies, and to contacts, which are the people you're working with at those companies. To add a new one, find the orange plus button near the bottom right corner. Click it, then choose Create Opportunity or Add Opportunity. The label can vary by view, and in some custom setups, you might see the word Deal instead, but it refers to the same type of record. A form opens with the key fields you'll want to fill out. Start with a clear name for the opportunity, something descriptive like the project or product being discussed, so your team can recognize it at a glance. Link the related account to tie this opportunity to the company you're selling to. Then assign the relevant contacts, such as the decision maker and anyone involved in the evaluation. Next, choose the pipeline and the stage where this opportunity should begin, for example, lead, qualified, or proposal. If you're unsure, pick the earliest appropriate stage. You can always move it later. Add an expected value if you track deal size. This is optional, but it helps with forecasting. If your currency is set in your workspace, it will apply automatically. You can also provide a target close date. Think of this as your best estimate for when the deal could close, not a promise. Update it as the timeline becomes clearer. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your new opportunity appears on the pipeline board immediately. From here, you can drag it from stage to stage as it progresses. If you need to adjust any details, open the opportunity and edit the fields at any time. Keeping the name, stage, value, and close date current will make your pipeline accurate and your forecast reliable. That's it. You've created a deal in Salesflare and set it up for smooth tracking through your sales process.